Hello, this is Nobuko. I'm now in front of Shinamachi Station on the Seibu Ikebukuro line. Today, I will have a lunch at the cafe in the temple. I'll show you what I have for lunch at the end of the video. Stay tuned till the end. Okay, let's go. Shinamachi Station is next to Ikebukuro Station. If you are coming by JR or Tokyo Metro, transfer to the Seibu Ikebukuro line at the Ikebukuro Station. As I go out of the north exit of Shinamachi Station, there is a temple right in front of my eyes. This is today's destination, Kongo-in Temple. The building to the right of the entrance is the cafe we will visit later. First, I'll explore the temple before lunch. The history of the Kongo-in Temple dates back about 5 centuries. At that time, devout believers lived along the shores of the Yabata River, which once flowed through the northern part of Tokyo. As a sign of faith, they erected a statue of Bodhisattva Jizo. They also built a small hall as a place for prayer. This is a bronze statue of Heian period Buddhist monk Kukai. He was the founder of the sect to which the temple belongs. Here, a circular path runs around the statue of the monk Kukai. Prayers are offered to the statue and circle around it. This is then repeated 100 times. This ritual is Hyakudo Mairi. It's performed to ask for the help of God or Buddha when there is a wish that needs to be fulfilled at any cost. In this town, many artists used to gather to create artwork. Shinamachi is also recognized as where Tokiwaso Apartment, the sanctuary of manga and anime, used to be. This is Manga Jizo. He answers the prayers of those who are active in various creative areas, imparting the aspiration of the origin of manga by bringing them success. His aureola is shaped like a pen nib, and he holds a G-pen instead of a staff. This stone object is to count the number of the times worshippers have prayed. There are graves of the temple's followers at the back of this area. People often ask me about the differences between temples and shrines. Temples are for Buddhism and shrines are for Shinto. Shrines have a uniquely shaped gate called torii, while temples do not. Temples often have cemeteries attached to them like this. There is another Jizo here. If you make a wish summarized in one word to this Jizo, your wish will be granted. I said cash in my mind. Today is mid-February. It's still early for the cherry blossom season. They are plum blossoms. Okay, let's have lunch here. The name of the cafe is Nayuta, which means an extremely great number, often said to be 100 million. It was a little early for lunch, so the cafe was still empty. After ordering at the counter at the entrance, I took a table. I ordered opera gohan, temple set meal. While I waited, I gazed out of the window in a daze. The cafe has large windows, is bright, and has a good view. The quantity was larger than I expected. I wonder if I can eat it all. This is cabbage miso soup. It's very warming. Salmon cutlets are served with lemon juice and sauce. The batter is crispy and the salmon is juicy. This is tomato stew with bamboo shoot and lotus root. And this is a bowl of pickled daikon radish. Eating it gives off a yuzu aroma in my mouth. A bowl of simmered seaweed is cooked with mushrooms and paprikas. And a bowl of kirboshi daikon. Dried daikon are simmered in chicken soup. I didn't know that kirboshi daikon and bacon went well together. I love hojicha, roasted green tea. Looking out of the window, a woman is praying at the spot where I was just there. How was my excursion to the temple? The cafe was very cozy and the food was very tasty. I had a very happy time. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm also taking your request. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね。